Welcome back to Panick Custom Shop. Today, with the help of my cats, we're going to assemble our Reunion Blues multi-guitar stand. Now, the assembly on this thing is really simple. No tools required. All of the hardware is included in a bag. It's all high impact plastic thumb screws, so you don't need any wrenches or anything like that. Just a matter of taking it out of the package. Have two legs, one for each side. Have a top. Thumb screw goes in. Threads into the top. For your bottom, make sure that the guitar cradles are facing up. We're going to do the same thing here. Thumb screw goes in. Threads into place. We'll flip it over. Take our other side. We're going to do the same thing. Thumb screw in. Get that one started first so we can line this one up. Tighten those down. That's all there is to it. Now we have our stand. Our guitars. Sit right in and rest perfectly on the stand. Easy as can be. So, got that assembled. This is going to help out so much when we go to the different shows and festivals to display the basses. Thanks again for tuning in to Panick Custom Shop. Be sure you check out our website and social media. Links will be down in the description. Check out Reunion Blues, part of Ace Product Groups. Links to them will be down in the description. Be sure you like and subscribe. Ring the bell to keep updated on our videos as they come out. Thanks for tuning in.